But hidden inside is one of the greatest mechanical inventions ever created. Everything starts with four main components: the cylinder, the piston, the connecting rod, and the crankshaft. Think this simple conversion of linear motion into rotational motion is what ultimately turns your wheels. But the piston begins moving downward. As it travels down, it creates low pressure inside the cylinder. Nature doesn't like empty spaces. Air rushes inside. Modern engines also inject a carefully measured amount of fuel,